Night bar with rich hometown flavor. If you are a fan of night bars, where the food is both delicious and simple but still full of appeal, then a visit to a night bar with the following special dishes will definitely not disappoint you. Stewed pig cheeks. This dish is one of the typical dishes that cannot be missed when coming to a night bar. The pig cheeks are stewed for a long time, soft but still retain their natural sweetness, soaked in spices. Each piece of meat when eaten has a fatty taste, not greasy at all, combined with the aroma of spices such as lemongrass, pepper, creating a dish that is both easy to eat and makes you exclaim. Boiled chicken feet. Boiled chicken feet is a simple dish but has a strange appeal. The chicken feet are boiled just right, not too soft but still retain their crispness and deliciousness. In particular, the salt and pepper dipping sauce is the perfect highlight, making the chicken feet more flavorful and attractive. A little bit of sourness and spiciness from the salt and pepper combined with the flavor of the chicken feet will make you unable to stop eating. Steamed chicken with lemon leaves. Steamed chicken with lemon leaves is a wonderful combination of the natural sweetness of chicken and the aroma of lemon leaves. The chicken is steamed until soft, evenly seasoned, and the lemon leaves create a characteristic aroma. When eaten, you will feel each piece of soft meat, easy to eat without feeling bored. This is definitely an indispensable dish for a night of drinking. Boiled fingernails with salt and chili. Boiled fingernails with a natural sweetness and crunchiness, when dipped with salt and chili, will bring a wonderful blend of salty, spicy, and sweet flavors. This dish is both fun and easy to eat. A perfect choice for gatherings with friends. Dipping spices and sauces. The special thing that makes the difference for the dishes at the restaurant is the unique dipping spices. The lemon garlic chili fish sauce is mixed with a rich flavor, bringing a harmony between the salty taste of fish sauce, the sour taste of lemon, and a little spicy taste of chili. Each dish dipped in this fish sauce will have a new, irresistible flavor. Delicious rustic drinks. In addition to the dishes, the restaurant also has rustic but extremely delicious drinks, such as draft beer, fruit wine, or cool soft drinks. These drinks not only help cool down, but are also a great combination with rich dishes, creating a perfect drinking party. This night drinking restaurant not only scores points with rustic, easy-to-eat dishes, but also with a comfortable space, suitable for gatherings and sipping with friends. Come and experience. You will definitely find satisfaction with each dish here.